Sclerotherapy is by injecting.
It's a non-surgical procedure.
Non-surgical procedure.
So that means hindi na kinakailan surgery ang pasyente.
This is one of the lunchtime treatments na tinatawag natin.
Lunchtime treatment.
It would last for like 10 to 15 minutes procedure, and then you could go back to your work as if nothing happened. So medyo multiple injections siya, but it's bearable, tolerable. May konting discomfort, pero wala pa naman tayong nakitang pasyente na naiyak.
Pero the good thing here is that this is a non-surgical procedure.
This is a non-surgical procedure.
So how long is the treatment for this procedure, sclerotherapy?
Treatment can last about 10 to 15 minutes. Kasi we only use needles dito sa procedure na to.
And how many treatments do you need?
Depends on the varicose vein. Theoretically, 6 to 10 sessions. Okay.
Depending on how fast the patient are going to respond with the treatment, actually.
Right.
So meron kasi tayong tinatawag na individuality or uniqueness. I have some patients na after 1-2 treatments ay okay na sila, and meron din naman tayo na more than 10 na bumabalik-balik pa rin. But still they're happy with the result.
The bad thing about sclerotherapy, of varicose vein, is that you harbor it for like several years, no? And then especially the smaller ones, you cannot do surgery on this, but rather but what we said, you can do sclerotherapy, which is the non-surgical treatment of varicose vein. And then again, we have another texters, 0917-451-8807. Good morning. Magkano po ang facial treatment na IPL sa mukha, siguro? And how many sessions?
IPL.
IPL, probably the pigmentation, that's what you're saying.
Yeah, start muna tayo kasi nasabi niya facial. It
Pero
roughly
siguro
cost
facial
about
pigmentation.
Yeah, pigmentation. Yung facial kasi 300 to 400 lang sa clinic natin.
Wow, that's very cheap,
Very
huh?
cheap, very affordable.
Yeah, very
yung
affordable.
IPL naman roughly cost mga 1,500 to 2,000.
1,500 to 2,000. And then those pigmentation will be removed. Okay. Now, when you say IPL, we call it intense pulse light. Okay. These are just machines that remove the hair on the armpit. Because there are some patients who have like what you call hyperpigmentation or nangingitim yung kilikili, or yung underarm. This is also a treatment for this kind of problem?
Yes, kasi ang laser hair removal, kaya naman din nangingitim kasi dahil din sa pag-shave.
Constant friction.
Nagkakaroon ng friction,
yes.
natotrauma yung underarm, and then eventually it produces some hyperpigmentation.
So kung wala ka na ring hair, so hindi ka na mag-shave, puputi na yung ano mo.
And aside from that, meron tayong tinatawag kasi na may RF na yung machine natin, like yung sa clinic. Aside from dun sa sinisira na natin yung hair follicles hanggang sa ma-eliminate siya, hanggang sa mawala siya, meron din na RF yun. So na-address din yung chicken skin na problem. So aside from the underarm darkening, mawawala yun kasi may iwasan na kasi yung shaving, so yung constant friction, patatanggal yun. Aside from that, yung chicken skin nga na sinasabi ko, ma-flatten siya.
Correct.
And then, wala na yung hair.
We have another texter from 0917-539-4381. Can you also do facelift, and how much will it cost, doctor?
Yeah, we do facelift, and it would cost you around 100 to 150,000.
Okay. Another texter from Mitch of Mandaluyong. How do you treat or remove the chicken skin caused by waxing?
Waxing, siyempre, may inisip natin yung sa legs, di ba? We can also use yung IPL kasi nga meron siyang, sinabi nga ni Dr. DALISAY na meron na rin siyang RF. For skin tightening kasi din yung RF.
So the
kaya
RF
maganda yung chicken skin.
Which is a lunchtime treatment, huh? I mean,
Yes.
But of course,
this is the good thing with those treatments mostly. You don't need to absent yourself at work or at school. You can just come to the clinic and during lunch break and have the treatment done, because the procedure will only take, you said, 5 to 10 minutes, or the max is around maybe 15 minutes.
and of course, for her to get rid of that problem, she has to stop doing that practice yung dun sa waxing, or technically parang plaquing pa rin yun eh.
Correct.
That's the reason why yung
And
nagkakaroon
these are just temporary, those waxing.
Kasi baka mamaya magpapa-IPL siya, ma-address ang problem, then later on, kapag hindi nakompleto yung treatment, nakita lang niya na nag-improve yung chicken skin, back to the usual practice niya. So,
now, there's another texter from Margaret, I'm 22 years old. I have a deep wound scar on my legs, and what shall I do to remove it?
Yeah,
Dr. Fulgado.
kung
Deep scar,
deep
probably in the
wound
legs.
scar. So kung gaano kalaki to, depending on the location sa lower extremities or sa legs mo, dito pumapasok yung scar revision eh. Pwede natin
Scar
gawin yung
revision. We can do
It's a
scar
surgical
revision.
procedure na i-revise natin. Kasi kanina sinasabi ni Doc DALISAY na yung keloid forming, pero this is different. Deep scar, so we can revise it. Para maging yung scar niya is para maging linya na lang
Right,
sa line.
right. Again, another texter from 0932-354-3531 from Lou. Yan. Hello, Doc. Matatanggal pa po ba ang scar ng after pagbubuntis? If yes, ano po ang dapat gawin? When you say scars, probably this is
Stretch
stretch
marks.
marks. Okay. Can you remove the stretch marks after pregnancy?
Yeah, we can do something about it. We could improve it, but we don't promise to eliminate it 100%.
100%, but at least maybe 60%, 70% is better
Yeah.
than
She
zero.
would be happy.
So, what type of treatment are you
Pinaka-
gonna be doing this?
Yeah, pinaka-goal kasi natin dyan is to make it less noticeable. Not noticeable,
Right.
Oh, so marami tayong procedures dyan. Actually, yung CO2 laser, pwede rin yan
CO2
sa
fractional
mga,
laser.
dahil may skin tightening effect din yung CO2 laser. Siyempre, nandyan din yung mga chemical peeling, the usual na ginagawa sa stretch mark.
Right. Oh, okay. And again, another texter from Carl of QZ. Hi, good morning. What is the best way to remove acne scar or black marks sa face? You know?
Yun na yung diniscuss ko earlier na nowadays, ang kinukonsider natin na gold standard for the acne scar removal is the CO2 laser.
CO2 laser.
Ito yung dinidiscuss
It's
natin
really very
right now.
effective, huh? In the office, we have like several patients undergo this kind of treatment. And the good thing here is that it's like only 15 minutes, 20 minutes procedure. Is it painful? I mean, Dr. Fulgado?
Yeah, may ginagamit naman tayong
We place
topical anesthesia, kaya hindi niya masyadong mararamdaman. Kaya okay naman, kaya naman ng mga patients.
And then, okay, another texter from 0932-791-5891. Doc, tanong ko lang po, paano po gagawin kung medyo nagkaroon ng parang bigas-bigas malapit sa mata? Syringoma siguro yun.
Syringoma.
So how do you treat that? Syringoma?
Buti nakuha mo, Dr. Senag, yung ibig sabihin niya na bigas-bigas. Parang hindi ako makarelate masyado dun sa sinabi niya bigas-bigas sa mata. No?
Right, right.
Excuse
We
me.
call it syringoma.
Ina-address natin yung problema na ganyan by cauterization, yung tinatawag na ECT. Oo. So parang natatanggal din lang tayo ng warts, kaya lang syringoma is a little bit deeper. So
Deeper.
medyo sinusukit natin ng konti
Correct.
yung laman sa loob na puti.
Right.
And then in-explain natin sa pasyente na may chance of recurrence din. Oo.
So the patient has to come back after this.
Mhm.
Again, another texter from 0917-924-9600. Good morning. Pwede po bang uminom ng pampaputi? Medyo siguro. Pag ganyan, glutathione. May side effects po ba ito?
Yung pamumuti kasi yun na kasi yung side effect.
Correct.
Ano. Pero
The glutathione itself is antioxidant.
ayun nga, gusto natin balikan para din sa nagtanong, ano. Tinitake kasi natin yung glutathione as antioxidant, hindi for the whitening effect, you know.
Yeah.
So, yun yan.
Again, we can text your messages or your comments at 0922-891-6761, and we are broadcasting live here on Global News Network. And we have two prominent doctors, Dr. Fulgado, Dr. DALISAY, and we're discussing all about cosmetic surgery of the new woman. Again, another texter from Gara. Good morning. Ask ko lang po, yung ugat sa gilid ng eye bag, kung may gamot po ba doon? 54 years old, thanks. Ano ba yung ugat? Maybe
Parang
something
spider
like,
veins.
Spider
Spider
veins. Can you treat that, those spider veins?
Yeah, through sclerotherapy, pwede natin
Sclerotherapy.
i-treat yun. And yung IPL natin can also be used sa mga spider veins sa
Spider
face.
veins.
Or laser also.
Laser to do that. Okay. So when you say laser is really a big deal with cosmetic surgery.
Marami siyang applications.
There's a lot of
talaga.
applications in cosmetic surgery. And that will be, I could say, the future of cosmetic surgery. Wow, that would be nice. And you can treat like the pimple marks, you can treat the stretch marks,
Fine lines and wrinkles.
fine lines and
It
wrinkles,
lightens the
the
skin,
pigmentation, you can tighten up the skin.
it improves the texture of the
And you can
skin.
even use that for liposuction, right? We call it the
Yeah,
plasma
plasma
liposuction. How does this work when you say when this laser touches the fats?
It
It
melts.
melts.
Oh, it melts. Okay.
Literally melts.
And then we try to milk it out.
Mhm.
Actually, kahit hindi natin gawin yun, eventually mawawala naman yun. Pero para just to hasten the process, we try to milk it out.
Yes. Again, good morning. Would you like to know how much is eye bag treatment and how long it takes for the procedure and healing? Probably let's discuss about how long is the treatment for the eye bags or the procedures. It's a surgical procedure.
Surgical procedure.
Right.
But before I answer that, Dr. Cenica, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Noel Morabi of Metro Lighting Corporation, sir. Thank you.
And the project.
Thank you, Dr. Cenica. Anyway, going back to the topic,
Okay.
we're talking about the blepharoplasty. Yung procedure kasi 1 hour to 1.5 hour matatapos na siya. Okay. And then
And how long is the healing time?
3 to 5 days, tatanggalin na natin yung suture, although there's some swelling,
Swelling is always there.
it's normal process of the, what do you call this, the healing process.
Yes, yes.
Not norm expected yun, kailangan ng inflammation for the healing. Well, and how much? It's
Just like a
affordable.
cell phone.
Yeah, like a cell phone.
Just like buying a cell phone.
Mhm.
A cell phone is just only like good for 2 years and eye bags is for life.
7 to 10 years or siguro bonus kung maka 12 to 15 ka.
That's good.
Meron kasing yung aging process, medyo hindi ganun kabilis. So it would really depend on how fast are you going to age. Depende din yun sa lifestyle mo, yung exposure mo with everything, sa lahi mo. So yun, back to normal kasi yung aging process.
Right, right. Wow, we have a lot of texters, but I would like to, I mean, can you say something or recommend something to our patients who wants to undergo a cosmetic surgery? Dr. DALISAY.
Well, maipapaalala ko lang po sa inyo, dapat magkaroon po tayo ng realistic expectation. Before po kayo pumunta dun sa pinagkakatiwalaan yung doktor, isipin niyo po yung mga gusto niyong gawin at mangyari sa sarili niyo at i-discuss po ninyo ng mabuti sa doktor para masasabi niya sa inyo, madidiscuss niya sa inyo kung ito ay possible. Regarding naman dun po sa issue na dinidiscuss namin kanina regarding dun sa glutathione or whitening effect, magbasa po kayo, tanungin niyo po yung doctor niyo para hindi kayo magkaroon ng confusion. Maraming salamat po.
Dr. Fulgado?
Yeah, before anything else, gusto ko lang batiin din si Dr. Cenica na happy birthday.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes.
So yun, nasabi nga ni Dr. Dalisay, before we go into cosmetic surgery, maganda rin na tingnan din natin kung ano ba yung cosmetic surgery na bagay para sa atin. Like kung nose or eye bags na mga ganon. And always remember na nandyan yung mga cosmetic surgeons mo to answer all your problems.
Correct. And WhatsApp Doc is here
WhatsApp
every
Doc.
Saturday to answer your questions.
Yeah.
And Dr. Cenica, before I forget, pabatiin ko na rin yung mami ko. Happy birthday, ma. Huwag kang magtampo. I love you, I'll try to see you later.
Yes,
Andiyan po ako sa Batangas later. Later may radio tour kasi ako. Abangan niyo po ako dyan.
Okay, last is that where we can find you. I mean, where we can find Dr. Dalisay.
We have clinic in Quezon City along Scout Borromeo. That's number 17 Scout Borromeo, corner Mother Ignacia, South Triangle, Quezon City.
Okay.
Contact number I forget, pero I forgot already.
Any other branches?
We have also one clinic in Pampanga,
Pampanga.
and Laguna, and of course the main branch, Adriatico, Manila.
Okay. Dr.
Yeah.
Fulgado?
Thank you. Most days of the week, nasa Janssen pa rin ako. So, 4 days a week and 2 days a week, nasa Fulgado Cosmetic Surgery naman ako sa
Telephone
Tanay.
number, Doctor.
Yeah, 654-0657. At saka kung meron kayong mga tanong, 0922-830-9396.
Do you have any website where we can get in touch with you guys?
Usually, meron kami sa Facebook.
Yeah.
You can search...
you can log on at Facebook.
Yes.
And you can even see us at YouTube.
Yes.
You can just log on WhatsApp Doc John Cenica and you can log on, you can see the program.
The discussions.
You can also see us live in TV internet
GNN.
stream. Yeah. And thank you very much, doctors. And then, would you like to thank somebody who took pics of your hair?
Yeah, thank you
Artista
sa
Salon.
Artista Salon.
Yes,
Kay Gio Medina, thank you.
I would like to thank my daughter who is here, Jonna May Cenica. And would you like to come in?
Si Dr. John May.
Yeah.
I would like to greet also my friends, my group, Deep Project.
Yes.
Guys, I'll see you later.
Any gigs?
Napakarami nung schedule nila ngayon, puno-puno sila. So, para masundan sila, check nyo na lang po kami sa deepproject@yahoo.com.
Yeah, this is my
DEEP.
daughter, Joanna May Cenica, who will be my future co-host. Maybe next time she'll be here. She's working at
Very
an
pretty.
intern in Korean Hospital. She's also